You know, your emotions are a lot like a volcano, kind of like this one behind me. You know, it's not always erupting, but when it does, it's really messy. So if you can tell yourself the right story instead of suppressing the emotions, it will automatically up your EQ, your emotional quotient. You know, whether that's anxiety, depression, anger, if you're not dealing with it properly up front, it's being suppressed, and then, it could be an innocent person. If they say the wrong things or they may have hit you at the wrong moment, you're going to erupt just like a volcano.